Are you drowning in dozens of fancy AI reports and colorful infographics, but still missing the real story? What if I told you that most powerful financial risk insights are hiding inside a tool that you already have, Microsoft Excel, and it finds them without a single formula, without coding, and without building complex models? In this dataset of over 22,000 trade finance record, Excel's AI automatically generated 25 analytical reports. But here is the striking part. The very first of the AI generated report already revealed the most strategic bottom line insights, identifying where hundreds of millions of dollars in export proceeds remain overdue with little or no legal action. From there, using simple natural language queries, we can drill down easily by bank, country, exporter, regions, and suspicious trading pattern, and also the trend in overdue. This is not just analysis, this is policy relevant intelligence gathered in minutes. If you are involved in financial regulation, trade oversight, or risk management, the full walkthrough is linked below.